Once you have all sinograms for your 3D volume, you can complete the reconstruction going to Data Evaluation and going to Sino Recon GPU. This will allow you to either use CPU or GPUs to do the reconstruction. You can choose between back projection, filtered back projection, or art. We are going to use art in this example. If you click art, you also have the ability to choose how many iterations you would like to do. Here, for example, we'll do 20. You can test how many iterations are useful by reconstructing a single slice. Here we can either choose CPU or using our CUDA GPU. So let's use a CUDA GPU and reconstruct a single slice. Okay, that took forever, but now it's finally up. We can find our data. Our data should be in reference core, average, cropped, sinos. And then under central slice, you probably have a central slice that you did with the alignment. But if you go back to sinos, you can pick one sino for the test reconstruction. If you want to use the one that is the central slice, you just check what number this is. This is 470, so we can find the sino for 470. Or you can use approximately the centered one. So we found 470, we can click open. And then this is running 20 iterations. We can go back to our data and see if our iterations are enough and if we've done too many. So if you go through to Sinos slices, you now have a new folder called Art GPU. In there is a folder called Iterations, and here you can go through the iterations for that slice. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can go through them and see when did the iterations stop improving. So 20 is our final one, but do we actually need to go to 20? Oftentimes we can use something more like 10. So sometimes I find it useful to compare 10 with 20 and see that there's not much change. Maybe we want to go to 15. Let's try 15. Okay, so once we've decided which, the number of iterations that we'd like to do, we can go back to our sinogram reconstruction and now go to multiple slices. We want to change this first to 15. We again want to use the CUDA GPU, and we can use reconstruct multiple slice. You can also click use parallel computing. And there's also some advanced GPU settings that I will not go into. So once you have your settings correct, you select all of the sinograms that you would like to reconstruct and hit open. And then this will iterate until it is completed.